now we're gonna make some handles for these mugs. I'm scoring one on the top and one on the bottom. So I do maybe 5 lines down, 4 to 6 or so, and then go across the bottom like this. Then I get some water and put that on. And I'm gonna do 4 different handles. So I get a little bowl and fill it up with water. And I put water on the spots where I scored. Okay, so again, I find a good spot where I want my handle and I score it, one on the top and one on the bottom. About 6 across and 6 down. Put water on it. So I'm going to do that with all of my mugs. Obviously, usually I don't do them upside down. I'm just doing that so you can see. And I put water. Right before I put the handle on, I put one more drop of water on each. Let's see, I think this is where I wanted it. Make sure you put your handle at a good spot. Okay, using my needle point. All right, put water on each. Then I'm going to wedge my clay about an amount like this. This might be small. So I'm going to wedge it. And I use the ram's head wedging method where I go forward and down at the same time. So it's looking like this. Forward and down, getting any air bubbles out. And then once I have it like this, then I'm going to roll it up. Roll toward yourself. And for this, I'm kind of rolling out also, and I'm kind of making it into a log at the same time. So I have something like this, and then I'm ready to pull my handle. So I have water in this bowl, and I hold it at the top, and then I pull the bottom part. So every time I'm putting my hand in the water and then turning the clay, so I'm doing the opposite sides. So I turn, it's pulling down. Trying to pull it straight down every time. And once I get it close, what I do is bring my thumb down like that. I pull it off with my hand, and there's a little area here I don't want to use, so I'm going to cut that off. This is one of the smaller ones. Let's see if I can show you here. So I'm going to put my mug here, put a few drips again where I scored, right like that. Then I'm going to attach it. I think I can show you like this. I'm going to actually turn it upside down. For some reason lately I've been putting it upside down, and I have my finger inside, my thumb on the outside, and I'm gonna push down, in and down. Then I'm gonna bring my handle down, put it how I like it, and then I'm gonna push in and down. Making sure I'm centered there. Okay, so here, I'm just pushing in and down. Now here, there's a little bit I don't need, so I'll just take that off. And I kind of just neaten it up how I like it. It's a little tricky with the white because I'm doing brown clay here, brown and white. Sometimes I just use something to wipe off the excess white so I can see the brown better. I'm using my apron here, not the smartest, but you know, use what you have, right? Okay, I'm gonna use my finger there. And there I have my handle. I just got some white on there, so I'll wipe that off as well. All right, and then we're all set. We're gonna set it up on the shelf and cover it with a plastic bag so that it can dry, so the handle can dry at the same time that this is drying, and that this doesn't dry too fast, or they can dry at the same rate basically.